Do you think we should establish colonies on Mars or other habitable exoplanets? With our current technology, this is very difficult and incredibly costly. Should we do this when we already have so many problems, when so many people on Earth live in pain and misery and are treated unfairly? Should we first establish balance and peace on Earth and then focus on space? We are actually destroying our Earth. We are doing so much damage to it. Then we go and talk about establishing colonies in other places. Do you think this is fair? Yes, these questions are actually very logical. People are sufficiently divided and ready to destroy each other. We are designing weapons like crazy to kill each other, and we are spending a significant portion of our resources on this. In this case, are we going to invade the outer world and increase the war? These are difficult questions. Humanity is constantly endangering itself and its planet. While it is possible to live in peace and balance, war and destruction are increasing day by day. But the point we are missing is the potential within humans. I think that one day humanity will start to act together. At least I believe in a great peace and world civilization. We have this potential. I am sure that one day one of our states will make a great effort for this and will be successful. There is a point we missed besides all these. Natural threats. Natural threats that we cannot foresee can suddenly make the world uninhabitable. A supervolcano eruption, a giant meteorite or nuclear winter, or extraordinary movements in our sun and then swallowing the world. We don't even know what is happening in the Earth's mantle. How many logical reasons can you list for the Earth's surface not to be suddenly covered with lava? After a giant earthquake, humanity can find itself in a sea of lava. There are hundreds of huge natural threats. That's why we need to spread out into the universe as much as possible for the continuity of our species. In other words, although humanity has problems within itself, it is very important to jump to other planets and establish a life there. This can be a method of salvation for our species. When natural and human threats destroy the planet we live on, our species can continue. Or it can come when we have the technology to detect a giant asteroid approaching us early and get everyone out of here. It will come. I believe in this because we have that potential. Or we can detect a black hole preparing to swallow us and make an escape maneuver. Settling on other planets will make this easier. Of course, these are like the subjects of science fiction. But rest assured, if technology continues to develop at this rate, and one day we solve the problems between us and start protecting each other, we will have the technology and resources to do these things. In addition, we should not forget that the resources on Earth are limited. While there are trillions of cubic meters of all kinds of resources floating around in space, why shouldn't we use them for the future of our species? These words may sound selfish to you, but we naturally position ourselves at the center of the universe, and we can extend our tiny lives with technology and see more magnificent and powerful days. The Creator tells us to do this. By the way, I am a Muslim. I am sure that my religion encourages this. If you research carefully, you will see that all the heavenly religions encourage this. Establishing colonies on other planets and places where there is possible life may not become a luxury for us after a while, but perhaps a necessity. It is promising that these studies are being carried out now. I hope that we spend the money we spend on weapons development, on higher technology, and progress faster for space control. Humanity has an incredible potential. There is no limit to our thinking and imagination. Nikolai Kardashev has revealed a part of our potential in the scale of civilizations he created. I think second-level civilizations are definitely possible. But for that, we need to survive and be alive for a few more thousand years. Good luck, mankind.